Does your small business have a potential to succeed? Do you already have a functional website? How about your hosting? Well, today I'm here to help you find the best website hosting for your small business. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Ruben, the how-to guy at 10web, a managed WordPress hosting platform powered by Google Cloud. If you don't want to miss WordPress updates, detailed reviews, and simple tech hacks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. I bet most of you hardly remember that there was a time when it was rare for a business to have a website. But nowadays, it is a must-have component, like a business card. Moreover, it is no longer feasible to run a business, even a brick-and-mortar one, without a web presence. Consumers turn to the internet for everything, from product research to location and operating hours. So having even a simple website that's well designed can give you an edge in your field. And if you have products to sell, your website can open up new markets and expand your business cheaply and easily. But you have to keep your larger goals and objectives in mind as you move forward towards creating a larger entity. The best tool for one business won't necessarily be the best for everyone. It all depends on your specific needs and requirements when hosting a website. So how do you know which is the best small business website hosting for you? Well, here are a few of the most important factors to look for. Website speed is one of the most important ranking factors for Google. It impacts your website's user experience, correspondingly influencing its bounce rate and conversion rate. Slow websites have usability and SEO issues that translate into low search rankings. Make sure it is memorable. There are thousands of websites out there competing for being remarkable and memorable in the eyes of the consumer. So choosing a hosting provider with outstanding pre-made website templates and fully customizable design elements is the next important step. Affordability is another crucial factor for small business owners. You need a website builder that is affordable now and will still be affordable when your business grows. Think about how your website will evolve in time. Ideally, you need to be able to scale up easily whenever you need to. The next factor is security and reliability. You're going to have a lot of testing and experimentation on your website content. These changes should be reliably saved through a good backup tool and protected by a super secure network. You will also need a website builder that is search engine friendly so that your website content appears in search results for your target keywords and helps attract your target audience. These 5 factors are the essential pillars for your small business hosting. Now let's practically introduce you 10web, which I believe is the best WordPress hosting for your small business. With 10web, your website will be hosted on the fastest Google Cloud servers. WordPress, its themes and plugins will be updated automatically, and you will get automatic backups and security scans. Your website, hosted on 10web, will automatically get a 95+ page speed score. 10web offers a fully automated optimization solution that guarantees the highest page speed score for your website, which is required for higher rankings on Google and the ultimate user experience. 10web provides a website builder on top of Elementor. You can drag and drop to build your own website in minutes using 10web's 40+ beautiful and mobile-friendly website templates and a diverse number of Elementor Pro widgets for everything. State-of-the-art security plus an SSL certificate. Our security system has a built-in login limitation, DDoS protection, scan and repair for hacked websites, scanning for vulnerabilities and file changes, as well as constant monitoring and support. 10web also offers a free one-click SSL certificate with a Let's Encrypt integration. Next is real-time differential backups. 10web automatically makes a backup of your website and keeps it in a very secure AWS storage. The system saves only the changes made after the last full backup, so it all works really fast on an hourly basis. As for pricing, for 25,000 monthly visitors and 5 GB SSD storage use, at 10web you only pay $10 a month. And finally, our SEO service will improve your website structure and content to rank higher. The service includes custom metadata, XML sitemap, canonical URLs, knowledge graphs, and much more. And with the help of search analytics, you will see what queries led visitors to your website and use them to improve your content. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Our tips and the platform we provide will surely help your small business website get noticed and generate the desired income. But before you go, we at 10web have a free 14-day trial with no credit card information required. So if you want to test out the best managed WordPress hosting for your small business, visit our website 10web.io. And if you're interested in more topics like website speed, website hosting, or WordPress in general, subscribe to our channel and hit the small bell button to always get notified whenever there is new content. See you next time!